of summer. I made it, guys. I made it. So happy. It's summer. First official day. This morning, I got to drink my coffee while watching the Food Network. It was so great. I got to lay in bed extra time. I get to be happy and goofy. I don't know, I feel like I'm not as goofy throughout the school year because I just don't have the energy, but this is me. So, I'm currently wearing a dress. I haven't worn a dress in so long. This is how you know it's also summer. And I'm about to go meet my sister at IKEA because I'm trying to figure out something with this section of like my closet-ish area. So I need more space. Like those are all shoes. I need space for shoes. I gotta reorganize something. I need more dressers because I have summer clothes in the basement. So I need some more dressers and things. So I'm hoping that this new dresser thing is gonna get rid of my pants and I could put them in the dresser and then maybe put some shoes up there. So we'll see. But I definitely need something. So whatever I picked out is available and in stock at IKEA. So we'll organize. I probably won't be able to organize shoes just yet because shoes I want to wait until our main floor is done so that in our entryway kind of closet I could put some shoe racks in there to organize shoes or like some kind of shoe cabinet to organize shoes. But that's not done downstairs, so I don't want to like do that yet. So they might stay in boxes for a little while longer, but at least I could figure out my other like summer clothes and whatnot. And I know that's only like 2 months out of the year, kind of, but like I wear them throughout the week. Can't talk. I wear them throughout the year on weekends too. So I just, yeah. And pool, once we have a pool heater like next year, I'll need my swimsuits all the time, so it could just stay out all the time. All right, guys, I gotta go. Going to IKEA. All right, I'm gonna go figure out some stuffs over there. Got the goodies from IKEA. It's literally just one unit, but in a million boxes. And they had to like bring it out to you, so I had to like wait for my number to be called. I also got some other things like pot holders. This is for the laundry room. It has like a lid also, but I'm gonna put like the powder, cleaning powder in there. And then I got new replacements for my pegboard because these, I have black ones and I wanted the white. So yeah, that's pretty much it though. I'm gonna have fun putting this together later somehow. It's the next day. I got my lashes done. So I did a lash lift and a lash tint and they look gorgeous. I love them so much. You can like feel them like on the tops, but they don't bother me. I know they'll like fall down over time and I love how they look. They're gorgeous. I'm working on putting this together. Babe started while I was at my appointment. We have those two put together and this piece, and I still got 4 more boxes to go. Babe's done. He doesn't like IKEA furniture, doesn't have directions, it's only pictures. He doesn't like it. So I'm just gonna put these together. I want to do other stuff and it's, you know, taking longer than I wanted to just because it's, you know, looking at pictures, you got to make sure you got everything in the correct direction and stuff, but all right. I'm gonna try to get as much done as I can before I'm like super burnt out. I'm gonna do something else real quick and put in my white kind of things for my pegboard. So I couldn't find these. They didn't have these in the store. They just had the dark colors. But these ones I was able to find the white, so I have 2 sets of those. You can see I'm not even using all of them. If you guys have any ideas of what to put in those, let me know. But these have binder clips, paper clips, my things that I put on the back of my albums. These are like elements to add to projects, like greenery bits. So I got gold, green, and silver, but they're like the leafy bits that I die cut and I just put in there. These are super easy to remove, so I'm just gonna take that out. You take this off. These, I don't know what to do with those. And then I need this other just white piece, but I'm gonna have like extra of these. And these just go on so easily, just like that. And then this slides into that. And voila. Took a little break to go take a dip in the pool, and I did tan a little bit. I did 15 minutes on each side. But guys, these tan lines, I got red too. Like, I don't know if you guys could tell. It's kind of hard to tell. Maybe you can see better here. No, you can't. I mean, you could tell a little bit. I don't know, but I definitely got a little red. I'm sure it'll fade. Like, I didn't stay out in the sun all day, but yeah, this is why I'm doing it in pieces, because I don't want to get like burnt red. I want red to turn tan without peeling. So that's what I've been working on a little bit each day. And I'm still now putting together furniture. We have 2 of those done. I got 2 of these done, and I'm working on like the longer dresser pieces now. Alright guys, I put together that dresser in the back there. Messed up a little and then had to take some pieces apart, but it's finally back together again. And then I started looking at these. I think this is like the top and bottom pieces to kind of keep it all together. And this is what I realized, which made me happy. Let's see, wait for that to load. Made in Poland! All of these. That's so great, I love that. And in case you guys don't know, I love that because I'm from Poland. I was born there, and yeah, it makes me happy that it was made in Poland. Oh my gosh, guys. Today the pool was so nice since it's getting warmer and it's like consistently warm, even though it's not even 90 degrees yet. I mean, it was for like a few weeks ago now, but it's only been like 84 or so. Anyway, so it's been a pool day like every day this week, and the pool has been getting warmer, guys. It's so nice. The degree went up by 2 in 2 days. So 1 degree each day went up, and today was 79 in the pool, and it was so nice. Babe and I were in the pool for like the longest time so far that we've been in the pool, because it was just like nice and warm. It didn't feel cold. We weren't like, oh my gosh, it's so cold, we gotta get out. Like, we were just having fun swimming, tanning, swimming more, doing flips and stuff. Like, we were having a ton of fun in the pool today. It was great. And yeah, I made a crafty album as well, and I also just ordered myself some Thai food. Yep, got myself some Thai food because Thai food is not something that Babe likes. So he is not home right now, but so he's having food elsewhere. He went out, and I'm having Thai food because Babe doesn't like Thai food. So I figured, he's not home, you're out, you're ordering food wherever you are, I should order food. So I ordered myself some Thai food, and I get to enjoy it. And I haven't had pad Thai in like who knows how long. It's been years, guys, and that's something I love, and I hope it's as good as the one that I've had in Thailand years and years and years ago. So hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully it's like more of like the traditional, but I mean, it's always just good anyway. So I'm gonna eat my food, watch some, I don't know, maybe I could figure out the Hallmark Channel, and yeah, and then I'll go back to crafting some more afterwards. But I also wanted to show you guys the babies. Look, they have fins. Guys, are you seeing that? I know it's so hard to tell, and I'm scaring them. But that's a baby, and it's got fins. Oh, it's not even focusing. There's another baby right there. But they're like getting bigger. That pinkish one is the daddy. The mama died a couple of weeks ago, and it was very, very sad. We don't know why the mama died. We don't know if the dad killed her or what happened, but that was like the second fish that died in like 2 weeks. Before it was like another fish, and this last time was the mama. And so I don't know if you guys could tell on the babies, but the babies have stripes like the mama did, and I can't wait to see when they're like a little older, like what color they're gonna be, because the mama was blue with the black stripes, and all the babies have the stripes. So I want to see what they look like. They're still, not like 100 babies or anything. There's probably like 5 or so, but they are getting bigger, so I'm excited. At least they're growing and at least they're alive, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, just wanted to share. Okay guys, just got back up from the pool. Gotta change. I'm red. I didn't even feel like I was out there that long. I mean, I guess we went in at like 12:30. It's 2 o'clock. Where did the time go? But I did some swimming around and stuff, so I wasn't like laying out the whole time. But I got a new floaty and it was great. It's like a recliner chair, and then you could put like the top down so then you could lay flat on it. It was fantastic. I'll link it down below. But yeah, I'm gonna change because then I gotta go pick some lettuce from my garden. Earlier I picked some snow peas, and we're gonna have those in a couple of days for dinner. And yeah, right now I'm gonna go pick my lettuce because we're gonna have a salad for a late lunch. Brought my strainer, guys, so I could pick some lettuce. Oh, the butterfly is back. This butterfly loves hanging around my garden. The same one was here earlier, but I was picking snow peas earlier, and just the ones that were like really long. Look how many I picked. You see all these like little like bulbs and things? I picked a ton of snow peas, and we're gonna be eating those. Oh, there's more growing. Oh no, that's one I picked, I think. No, that's another. Oh, well, that's, I don't know what happened to that one, but oh, here's another one. Oh, I think I maybe missed that one, but you know, I could pick another bunch in a few days or so, and there's more. So we'll see. My thyme is doing really good. And that's not my thyme, my dill. My dill. Ooh, I think in a couple of days I'll make, oh, weren't we supposed to have the avocado sandwiches? Avocado tuna salad? But it's fine. We need to have actual lettuce today because I gotta pick my lettuce. But that would have been good with the dill, the tuna salad. All right, but I gotta pick my lettuce, guys. And we're gonna have this for lunch. Okay. Wow, look at this lettuce.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
This is the best part. This is the best part. This is the best part. Got lettuce. What a nice 4th of July, guys. Sorry, I'm really bad at vlogging daily. I'm so used to like vlogging throughout my week while I was still working, and I'm trying to do daily, and like every day I get on here and do a little something and then I just forget about it. So I didn't vlog my 4th of July, but I went to my sister's house. I mean, it was gonna be probably weird anyway with like not my family, but like her in-laws kind of family to be vlogging. So yeah, we had a good time. We went in the pool. I had my bathing suit, which is what I was just hanging up on my shower to dry, and Jaden just wanted to be on a floaty the whole time, just chilling in the pool. It was really nice. We had food, and they had the bouncy castle blown up for the kids, so it was just fun, and we had a good time. And yeah, I mean, I had a good time. Well, we had a good time. Everybody at my sister's house. My fiance went to his parents' house, and I went to my sister's house. So he's not home yet, but I wanted to get on here and just say happy 4th of July. I hope you guys had a good 4th of July. Hope you guys got to see some fireworks. It's not even dark here yet, but I'm gonna be ending this vlog so I could edit you guys, and I gotta clean up a little. And probably change out of this. I mean, this was a super cute outfit. It's one of the rompers that I got from Amazon, and I was able to wear it today, and it actually worked out well because it was like a royal blue, and it was like perfect to wear for the 4th of July. Painted my nails red very last minute before I left the house, and it was just really great overall. So that's it, guys. That's all I want to say. Just get on here so I can edit this vlog, and I hope you guys had a good one, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog video. Talk to you soon. Bye.